Hello everyone, today we introduce car amplifier for the Android monitor. So here is the sound from the Bluetooth. So let's volume up to 15. And we check to volume up to 20. And we play music by USB. And let's volume up to 15. It's easy to install on the car. It's plug and play. Simply connect this power input here and the power output here. This side connect to the unit. So let's play the music from YouTube.